So you're working hard, trying to climb the corporate ladder, and who's holding you back? Yep, the boss. They're breathing down your neck, slowing your progress. Ever dreamed of a workplace without micromanagement? Those quick calls that really aren't quick, the late-night pings, the endless trackers and briefings? What if I told you there are AI tools so smart they could actually replace your boss, not just make your job easier? No, these tools automate, strategize, and even communicate on your behalf. They're like having a team of AI robots working 24/7 without coffee breaks or weekends. Here are 5 such tools that aren't just smart, they're boss-level smart. Number 1, ClickUp AI, the operations boss. Do you know the type? Loves dashboards, deadlines, and updates. Always has a plan for every plan. ClickUp AI is like that boss, except smarter and less annoying. It handles all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Want to launch a new project? ClickUp AI crafts the project plan, assigns resources, and sets deadlines. Just tell it what you want to achieve and it takes care of the rest. It also writes follow-ups, summarizes lengthy texts, and even drafts campaign briefs. Basically, it's like having your boss by your side, but without the micromanagement, and it respects your weekend. Next up, Fireflies.ai, the meeting whisperer. Ah, meetings. Perfect blend of productivity and procrastination. You attend one, and suddenly, you're part of a herd of nodding heads. No worries. Firefly's got you covered. This AI tool joins your Zoom or Teams meeting and listens quietly while you network and socialize. Don't worry, it's not creepy. After the meeting, it transcribes everything, summarizes key points, and sends you the notes. No more rewatching 90 minutes of Let's Circle Back. It even captures action points you might have missed. Now your real boss might ask, were you even there? And you can confidently reply, yep, I was there, because Fireflies was listening for you. Let's talk about Beautiful.ai, the slide deck CEO. Remember when your boss spent hours rearranging PowerPoint slides? Yeah, those were the days. Beautiful.ai automates the slide creation process. You add the content, it makes everything look perfect. Charts, data, graphs, even your branding, it's all auto-magically polished. With this tool, your next presentation will look so good, your boss might ask you for help. And that's when you casually drop, I use Beautiful.ai. Now watch their jaw drop. Tool 4, ElevenLabs, the voice that talks like a boss. Need to record a training video, a podcast, a welcome message for new hires? Well, why not use a voice that sounds like your boss? Well, seriously, it can be helpful. Just type the script, and ElevenLabs speaks it out loud in a natural, lifelike voice. It's clear, smooth, and confident. No awkward pauses or dry tones. You could even clone your boss's voice for fun or educational purposes. Imagine running the next town hall meeting without anyone showing up. You can do it. Now meet Notion AI, the knowledge boss. It doesn't just store documents, it understands them. Need to summarize those lengthy meeting notes? Boom, Notion AI explains complex policies in simple terms. It's like having your boss's brain, but faster and far more organized. Want to write an SOP in 2 minutes? Notion AI's got it. Need to brainstorm ideas for that big presentation? You know, the one your boss wants you to nail? Bam, Notion AI generates innovative ideas. It's like having a brainstorming session with your boss, but without the coffee and donuts. So can AI really replace your boss? Well, it can't do office politics or steal your credit yet. But when it comes to productivity, planning, and communication, these AI tools are already outperforming human managers. Which AI boss would you choose? Comment below and let us know. And hey, if you are the boss, maybe it's time to upgrade before you're replaced. Thank me later and you may find the links to all these AI tools below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.